Hello and welcome to AltheaSuite. Today I'll explain you how you can manufacture a product in AltheaSuite. So right now I'm in this dashboard of AltheaSuite. From there, let's go into the inventory module. Under inventory module, I'll find the function called make, which typically we can also assume that it's a manufacturing module. So let's say I am right now in this manufacturing module, and on top of it I have this option called new make. So when I click on this new make, that means I'm manufacturing a new product. So obviously I can select two other parameters, like in which store or in which location I am manufacturing that product and in which warehouse all of this manufacturing and production is being executed. So I can edit, I can change it. Right now we have a location called AltheaSuite, and then I have a warehouse where the production will take place, that is the main warehouse. Okay, I can select that who is making this product. So I can select an employee name, and then apart from selecting the employee name, I can also define the manufacturing date. So here we have a complete calendar view through which we can select that on which date this particular product is being manufactured. Now if I go to the below section, I have an option called select item to make. So here I will select executive chair, which I will be manufacturing today. So let me go to the executive chair, and so right now I'm directly into this item manager. From there I'll go in the chair category. In that I have executive chair. I will select that chair, and now that particular product is being selected. So now as I can see that how many executive chair I have to manufacture at this moment. So let's say I want to manufacture 10 executive chairs. So I'll click on apply. So this is very interesting. Now if you can see in the bottom, the grid, where it will show you the overall raw material, the overall BOM required to manufacture 10 quantity of executive chair. So required quantity as per the BOM definition, these are the quantity required to make 10 executive chairs. You can see here. And right now, just beside the required quantity, I can also see the available quantity. So this is my current stock which is sitting in my warehouse, and this is what the required quantity to make this particular manufacturing product, executive chair. Okay. Now there's one more thing. Right now we know that anytime in manufacturing we cannot say that this is whatever is being defined in the system will work as it is. There will be some wear and tear, and we also have to consider the margin of errors. So let's say I have defined overall I required 40 meters of fabric to manufacture 10 executive chair, but maybe it's only I just consumed 35 meters. Just an example. 100 screws, maybe some screws were faulty, so maybe I took additional 10 screws, so the quantity required goes to 110. The handle is, let's say we have 20. Rolling wheels also, there were some faulty wheels I got, so maybe 2 were faulty, so the additionally I required 32. And then wrapping forms, maybe I required less. And then bubble wraps also, maybe I have used it more than the expected BOM definition, let's say 35 meters. So this is something very interesting. AltheaSuite gives you the flexibility that in real time when you're manufacturing that product, you can modify the BOM quantity, because that's very well real-time scenario that happens when you're really into manufacturing and productions. So right now I have changed some of the quantities because as per the real-time scenarios. And now if I say OK, and I just want to tell you that before I click on OK, you see the available quantity right now. So they are all in 1000, 10,000s and 200 meters. This is what the available quantity. So as soon as I click on OK, automatically that much of stock will get reduced. All of this raw materials, the BOM stock will get reduced, and the stock of executive chair will get added by 10 in quantity. Okay, so let's click on OK, and here is the final thing, and I'll say I can put up some additional notes also. If anything particularly I have to mention about this production, I can also mention. Maybe this is going to one particular customer, maybe I can mention that note as well. So just clicking on save, it will save that manufacturing for me. Now if I go in the stock, I have clicked on the stock module, and let me go in category view. That will make our work much more easier. So I can see executive chair. Now the stock has been increased to 10 in quantity. And let's see the raw materials, what happened to the raw materials. So if I click on raw materials, so you can see the bubble wraps has been reduced, cushion has been reduced, fabrics has been reduced, handle has been reduced. So all of this has been reduced. Okay, so this is the the beauty of manufacturing a product in AltheaSuite, where it is taken care the real-time scenario and the actual definition what we have defined in the system. Thank you for watching.